Ako nga po pala si Kevin, Kevin Joseph Atangi. Etong Goat Cafe actually magti 3 years na siya. So 2.5 na siya. Nag-start ako 2023 as a pop-up cafe. Actually, etong Goat Cafe, located siya sa 2644 R. Fernandez Street, Digalang, Tondo. Actually, double meaning siya. So, as you can see, yung acronym na GOAT. So, most of the time, ang tao, ang kala nila greatest of all time. So, beyond that, meron siyang deeper meaning pa. So, nakuha ko yung meaning niya dun sa history ng coffee. So, I'm a previous partner from Starbucks Philippines and Starbucks UAE. So, yung history niya from Ethiopia, merong isang goat herder, which is ang pangalan niya is Kalbi. So, one random morning, na-observe niya yung mga goat na parang biglang energized, biglang nagtatatakbo sila. So, parang na-curious si Kalbi. Then, nakita niya na kumakain pala sila ng mga certain coffee cherries. So, ginawa ni Kalbi, out of curiosity niya, sinubukan niya yung coffee cherries niya. So, by that, after niyang tikman, doon niya na-realize na parang nagpo-provide siya ng energy. So, parang nag-come out sa kanya na there's something dun sa coffee cherries. So, parang ako, sa akin important yung history na yun. Kasi, without that kind of history, wala tayo na-enjoy na wonderful cup of coffee. Actually, before, nung nag-work pa ako, plan ko na talaga mag-put up ng cafe. Kaso nag-abroad ako, so naudlot siya. And then suddenly, merong instances na nangyari, which is kailangan ko umuwi ng Pilipinas. Then, I think, dun nag-start na, I decided na simulan na siya. Since, sabi ko nga, ang coffee kasi, para yan sa lahat. As you can see, ang coffee before, merong mga high prices. So, yung plan ko, i-offer yung coffee in sa affordable price. Pero yung quality, same quality. Actually, madami. Pero, as a typical Pinoy, ang mahilig tayo sa sweets. So, ang best seller namin is yung white chocolate mocha. So, balanced flavor siya, and at the same time, merong hint ng tamis. May mga non-coffee rin kami na which is right now, yung cacao latte namin. So, yun nga, para mabalance din natin siya, no? Yung cacao latte kasi known yun as yung taste niya, bitter taste, pero somehow, may sipa ng tamis pa rin. So, yun, pasok pa rin siya dun sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy. To serve, mga nagde-bake din kami ng pan at chocolate, croissant, then we offer savory foods, tsaka rice meats. Actually, ang target market ko yung community talaga. So, meron kaming goal na one community at a time. So, as you can see, before nag-start kami through word of mouth lang. So, yung nagiging dala-dala ng customer after nila mag-coffee, yung customer experience nila. So, ang target namin, talaga yung community na makater namin yung needs nila when it comes to coffee. Na hindi mo kailangan mag-spend ng thousands of money para ma-enjoy mo yung wonderful cup of coffee. So, everyday naman kaming open, 3 p.m. till 2 a.m. Hello, ini-invite ko kayo na mag-drop by dito sa store namin, sa Goat Cafe. So, we do offer different kinds of coffee and non-coffee. And we serve blended drinks, and we do have savory food and pastries as well. So, if you want to experience a different vibe or different environment, I think try nyo mag-visit dito.